Hey, it's Paul Zwiebin of the Zwiebin team of Douglas Elliman, and welcome to 194 Riverside Drive. We are super excited to show you apartment 7F, the nicest 2-bedroom, 2-bath co-op in this building. And you know why we know this? Because we live here and because we sell here. Let's go take a tour. "194 Riverside Drive was built in 1902 by Ralph Townsend. It's 7 floors, 39 units, 24-hour doorman, live-in super. The second bedroom in apartment 7F is currently set up as a formal dining room with incredible pocket doors. There's a children's playroom, private storage, air conditioning room, and one of the most beautiful private outdoor roofs I've ever seen in my life. Across the street from 194 Riverside Drive is Hippo Park, a favorite of kids and parents. Just blocks away is Serenetta Pizza and the Mermaid Inn. And the proximity to the trains, you can get anywhere from this building. Thank you so much for coming to apartment 7F at 194 Riverside Drive. This incredibly special apartment is here for you, and I can't wait to show it to you in person. Have a great day.